Hello, welcome everyone. In this question, it says 56 kilogram ice skater traveling 4 meters per second to the north. That means positive meet and join hands with the 65 kilogram skater traveling 12 meters per second in the opposite direction. Opposite direction means opposite velocity. That means negative velocity. Without rotating, the two skaters continue skating together with the joint hands. That means combined mass again. What is the final velocity of the two skaters? So at the A, we will use the formula V final m1 times v1 initial plus m2 times v2 initial over m1 plus m2. So mass 1 is the 56 kilogram times its velocity 4 to the north. So it is positive times 4 plus m2 is the 65 kilogram times its velocity opposite direction, so it will be negative 12 over m2 and m1 56 plus 65. So the result will be negative 4.6 meter per second. So V final is 4.6 meter per second to the, here it's given north, so it will be south. And at the B it says what is the decrease in kinetic energy during the collision. So we have to calculate kinetic energy initial and kinetic energy final. So initial kinetic energy half m1 times v1 initial square plus half m2 times v2 initial squared, and half m1 is 56 times v1 is 4 squared plus again half m2 is 65 times v2 is negative 12 squared, and so result will be 5200 joule. And kinetic energy final will be, because they are combined, half m1 plus m2 times v final squared. So half 56 plus 65 times v final is negative 4.6 squared. So the result will be 1300 joule. So kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial to calculate the decrease. So 1300 minus 5200. So it will be negative 3900 joule. Thanks for listening.